everyone, I welcome you all to today's class. It's me, Ankita Pokharel. In today's video, we're going to deal two topics, namely completing a school form and a paragraph. Let's begin the class now. Okay kids, let's begin with the writing part. And here we are about to fill in a registration form for the school. Now, a registration form is an information form where people fill in for getting registered at a company or any organization. Here we are doing for a school because it's a student registration form. Let's begin with the first part, and the first part is filling in the name of applicant. Okay, applicant is someone who is trying to apply. All right, so the first name, and please remember, as it's mentioned block letters, we should fill in the form in block letters. Okay, let's begin with the first part, and the first part starts with filling in the applicant's name, and it should be done in block letters. Block letters means all the letters should be capital as it's shown here. Okay, here it's written first name. Let's write a first name of any of the students. Let's assume it's Roshan. So let's write R-O-S-H-A-N, Roshan. Middle name, maybe we can give him a middle name as Kumar, K-U-M-A-R. Last name, let's assume his name is Rai. So R-A-I-C. We fill in the form in block letters for first name, middle name and last name. Last name is also known as surname. If there is no middle name, we can just leave it as blank or give a dash. Okay, let's go to the next part, and it's writing the date of birth. Let's assume he was born in 2068. So let's write 2068. Jesta means 2, Jesta 25. Okay, all right. Now, moving further, here you'll have to fill in the information of gender. Since Roshan is a male, we are going to give a tick mark here. If it was for female, we would have given a tick mark here. If it was for other genders, we could have given a tick mark in the other block. Now, grade. The grade he is applying for. Suppose he is applying for grade 4. Let's write 4 here. F-O-U-R. Okay. Now, here there is one information asked, and that is only for new students. That's the name of previous school. If the applicant is a new student, that person needs to fill in this part. Okay. For example, Roshan is a new student and he has to write the name of his previous school. So, address. Here you will have to fill in your permanent address or temporary address. It's not mentioned as specific. So, write down the address that Roshan lives in. Okay, since we are doing it for Roshan, we'll write Roshan's address. So let's assume Roshan is from Rukum. Let's say there's a toll called People Boat. So let's write Rukum People Boat. Okay, so this is the address of Roshan. Now let's move further to fill in the parents' information. Here we need to write down the father's name. Okay, let's assume Roshan's father's name is Ram. So let's write it here. Ram, maybe Prasad Rai. So Roshan's father is Ram Rai. Now here we need to fill in father's contact number. Okay, let's write any of the number. Let's write 9848. Something can be filled in here. We'll give XX here. Okay, all right. Father's occupation. Let's say his father is a banker. So let's write B-A-N-K-E-R, banker. Okay, let's move further. Here in the next block, we need to write down Roshan's mother's name. So let's see if Roshan's mother. So suppose Roshan's mother's name is Sita. Let's write Sita Rai. Okay, so here next is we need to fill in Roshan's mother's contact number. That's Sita's Rai's. That means Sita Rai's contact number. Let's fill it in with a number. Let's again assume it to be this, and we are going to give XX, assuming it to be any numbers. Mother's occupation. If see here we need to fill in mother's occupation. It could be homemaker. It could be any of the others occupation. Let's write she is a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Assuming that she is a teacher. Here we learned filling in a student registration form. We did it for Roshan Kumar Rai, and he is going to get admitted in grade 4. Okay, what's his previous school's name? It's Saraswati Mavi, and he belongs to Rukum. Alright, his father's name is Ram Rai. We also wrote his father's occupation as a banker, mother's name as Sita Rai, and mother's occupation as a teacher. I guess you can do it for yourself as well. So try doing this for yourself. Okay? So try filling in this form for yourself and fill in all the information that is true about yourself. Okay? Can you do that? How did your class go today? If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at learning@dearwalk.edu.np. See you in the next class with another lesson. Thank you.